Hello everybody and welcome to Tutorial Expert. Now, if you want to make sure that you never get caught using ChatGPT, or you just don't like the idea of other IT people peeping on your private messages, OpenAI has unveiled a new stealth mode that protects users' conversations from employees' prying eyes as well as from potential leaks. That means in theory that ChatGPT will no longer store a compendium of users' previous chats, nor will this be reviewed by AI trainers to improve our systems. So to make sure you never get caught using ChatGPT, go to chat.openai.com, go to the left corner, click on these three dots and click on settings. Once you're here, you will see data controls, click show and turn off chat history and training. As you can see on the left side, I can't click on anything, but I can see it and everything will be deleted in 30 days. If you want to enable this back on and save chats, do the same thing. Go here, settings, data controls, chat history and training on, and then it's not great and you are able to use it.